Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to import Safari data to Chrome. So to start, open Chrome app, then go to the three dots at the bottom right. And from here at the top, swipe it and look for settings and open it. Once you're on settings, just scroll down to the bottom and look for Safari import.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
Just below downloads, so click Safari import. So bring your data from Safari, import your data to use your passwords, history, bookmarks, and credit cards on Chrome. So just click import to Chrome and it will show you the steps and how to do it. So you need to go to Safari settings, then tap on export, then choose the data you want to export, and then tap save to downloads. Then return to Chrome to upload your file. So just click go to settings and scroll down and look for export. Click export and click export to files. Then select the files that you want to export. Then click save to downloads. Enter your passcode and your data has been exported. So just click on done and that's basically it. So go back to Chrome and click I've exported my data. Then from here, tap select your file. Select the file that you want to import and click on import. And click on done. And click the check mark at the top right and that's basically it. Thank you for watching.